Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, skid plates. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.